Alright, Dr. Science, what are we doing with this experiment?
So we are putting sparkling water in this glass and then putting 5 raisins in it.
How many?
5.
Why only 5?
Because if it was too many, you probably can't see it.
Okay, let's do the experiment. Let's count out those raisins.
1, 2, 3. We separate those. 4, 5. Let's put the baking and sparkling water in. Now let's put the raisins in.
Wow.
Make bubbles.
Good.
Dance. Yeah. Wow.
Alright, Dr. Science, how did that experiment go?
It kind of was a fail.
They
Only
didn't.
one dance.
Only one
Because
dance.
they're supposed to dance.
Mm.
See, the results say
Why do you think only one dance?
it was not enough bubbles.
Not enough gas.
What do you think we could do differently next time?
Add more gas.
Okay.
Bye bye. I'm sorry.
Cut!